You buy a spray kit for the toilet and you get all the parts that you need. Almost used all the parts. This is an empty box after everything is installed. You get stuck on a very simple problem. Here we turned the water off. We came to the last joint connecting this hose to that outlet, water outlet, using a T-junction. The T-junction broke. Here is that one hose. It goes through the hole right here. It comes under the reservoir, and then you have the spray hose on this side. Everything worked good until we have that T-joint that did not work. If you look here carefully, we took the cold water from the sink of the reservoir of the toilet. We put it on that four-way junction. It can control the hot and the cold. That is the cold that's coming from the bottom, and the hot comes from under the sink right here. The sink is on the top. This is the top sink. Everything here looks good. It was easy, smooth, no problem. Those are the tools I used. Everything here fits perfectly well. Only problem, of course, I have to use that drill. I have to use the drill to drill a hole under the sink. That's hole right there. Everything was okay until we got a junction. The threads are wear. Maybe they were destroyed. Maybe they were, but they are very fragile. So how are we going? Of course, you run here into plastic parts that are old. I think you can replace that part. That's not a problem. We were able to cut the water off. Let us see now how are we going to fix the T-junction. Back to my desk. This is the T-junction. It malfunctioned at that end. This is just a drive. So this is supposed to go this way. Of course, this will be in the middle like this way. So it will come this way, and this one will go in the top here. So these threads somehow are damaged. So I cannot even get them to go through the female threads. So what I got my kit, my repair kit, hoping to be able to smoothen the twisted threads. That looks the right size. And with that, you see what is the size? Yes, that is exactly what I need. And I need 1/2 inch male. .716. So we are going to use that 716 mil. and this is the female that I need to straighten out, and here is our partner. This will solve me the problem. This is the only problem I got. The threads are not touching. So this one will smoothen the threads. Yes, it feels good. Baby. This is the reverse thread. Wow. Wow, I got it right here. Perfect. Maybe I did not get it. Maybe I just made progress without noticing it. So we are rolling. So we put that one back. I still don't know if I got it or I just was lucky confusing something. This seemed to be reverse threads. I put now one O-ring here and the other O-ring here and right here, and I need to put the Teflon, clean my hands, and we are rolling. Leave all these parts would be left here, and we go there under the sink. This project was completed better than I expected. It has very few setbacks. We now finished the T-junction, and we need to power the system to turn the water on and see if I have any leaks. Before I do that, I need to put a towel on so I don't get everything wet. I put a small towel. I think I'm doing good. I think we will not have leak. Let us see. First, we need to open the code. Do not use your hand. You have to use pliers. So we got the water here. Turn that off. We need to turn the other one on. This one was broke. So take some effort. Yes, there is no water at the bottom. There is water, there is no leak here, which is a great thing. That is a perfect job. So, we finish this side. Let us now turn that water off. This is a perfect tightening. Because this is the second one I did, so I got good at it. Let us now go here. Here is the test, because this is an awkward location. Turn it on. You cannot use your hand, you have to use pliers. I don't think we have any leak. And I see the toilet is filling. This is the perfect job. You get good at it when you use Teflon, you tight it right, and you take your time. I think I did a great job. Let us now organize. This is our test right here. We take this off. We take this off and we test the spray. There is no spray because here it is cut off here. What happened? Okay, so we need a room here so we can spray more. Well, the water is weak. Just open it from here. I think it's weak because you need to mix it more. Oh, we are doing great. So we got the toilet spray functioning. We have not even a drop of water here. We don't have a drop of water here. I should congratulate myself. Great job. Wow. Something is done today. Getting frustrated with too many failures. But when you get something done, you feel that you are vindicated. You are not a total failure. You feel sometimes, I'm so happy. So happy.